me tell you what I did. Number 1, calorie deficit. I hit my macros every day this week. My carbs, my fats, my protein, and the total amount of calories per day. When it came to my meals, I ate high protein, low carb every single day this week. 3, I drank lots of water, you guys, from when I woke up until I went to bed. Next, I weight trained 3 times a week and walked for 30 minutes right after. This is so important. I made sure to get 10K steps a day no matter what. Aside from the gym, make sure you're getting on your steps in. Also get my greens in. These are the greens that I use. I take these in the morning and right before I go to sleep. Last but not least, sleep. I know this is gonna sound crazy, but make sure you are resting and getting at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep a night. Look at me. I feel freaking amazing. Like, I feel so light. I feel so good. And that is it, you guys. This is what helped me lose 2 pounds this week. I hope this was helpful, but let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments.